Hi, it's Jesse with a member update for the end of February. We've been talking about it in the media, talking to the province about it, talking to our members about it. CWD, we're holding an information session in Cranbrook, March 13th at 7 p.m. CWD is probably the biggest threat facing wildlife in the Kootenays and probably one of the biggest wildlife threats in the province. The session will give people the opportunity to talk to experts, find out what the province's plan is, the opportunity that we have, how to get ahead of the spread. For everyone who can't make it, we will make sure that we have a video of it that will be posted the day after, or even a live streaming event video, so that people can get in tune and watch what's happening and get a better sense of how we can try to stay ahead of the spread. Spring LEH results are available online, so you can go through the government website if you applied for sheep in the Northwest or the black bear hunts. In the world of outdoor shows, we have the BC Outdoor Show, which is in Chilliwack, March 21st to 23rd, the BC Interior Sportsman Show, which is April 4th to 6th. These are great opportunity to come out. We're usually speaking at them, talking about issues that are salient to our members and hunters and anglers. We often have a discount at the shows. That'll be in the member update for people to get discounted tickets to get in the door. During COVID, people weren't able to get out and socialize. People are starting to come out now. This is a great opportunity to meet some members of the board. For our local clubs and members, it's a great opportunity to get out and volunteer, sell some club memberships. We're always making room at the BCWF booth for our members. So looking forward to seeing people there. Women's outdoor education and fishing and hunting and all things for women who are interested in this lifestyle. We have a women's outdoor weekend, Lake Cowichan on the island from April 11th to 13th. That one's filling up fast. That's a great program. Kind of everything that you want to learn is in there. Women's outdoor archery workshops are happening in the Lower Mainland. Again, that'll be on our website and in the member update. And we also have the Advancing Women in Conservation Conference. So that's a biannual conference. It's put on by Saskatchewan Wildlife Federation. Canadian Wildlife Federation helps out, and then BCWF is also helping to support that this year. That's in Richmond, April 4th to April 6th. Seeing the speaker lineup, there's going to be some awesome talks. Everything from conservation, hunting, angling, those sorts of things, including getting into the field of outdoor like conservation biology. There'll be some profs there, some people who are biologists. Should be an awesome event. In the world of the Conservation Officer Service, Kilo is now retired. So Kilo was the canine, one of the canines who's done a pile of work detecting boats with invasive mussels. So congrats on a long career. We hope the best for you in retirement, Kilo, and thank you for all your hard work. Region 3, we've been out talking to our clubs a pile. So we've been to Clinton, Chase, and Kamloops in the last few weeks. Great attendance, great engagement, lots of discussion about projects, things we can do to work together, things we can do to improve. We're out with the regional president, Jason Bellows, and interim president, Pat Whittingham. We're also out. Really good attendance and a lot of dialogue and a lot better, I think, communication and knowledge of what everybody's doing. Last weekend, I got the opportunity to go attend the Osceola banquet in Lake Country. I've been going to Osceola since I was probably 3 or 4 years old, I would imagine. I've been a member. Great event. A bunch of MLAs, MPs, MP candidates, mayors, councillors, pile of people in network. I saw some of the Conservation Officer Service out, and then a number of our friends from other organizations like the BC Trappers were there. So great event. All the clubs are doing their fundraisers. If there's a club in your area, make sure you get out and support them. And then one thing that I want to address too, we've been getting a lot of emails and phone calls about our resolutions for this year. It's important to know the BCWF process around resolutions. We're an extremely democratic organization. So resolutions can be put together by committees, by regions, by clubs, by the board. And those resolutions have to follow a process. And as long as they follow that process, they get moved to the convention, and then they get debated, and then they get voted on. And so, these resolutions, some of them pass, some of them are defeated. The important thing about resolutions is that, that's effectively the voice of the membership that goes to convention and the delegates vote on them. So if there's a resolution that you're concerned about or that you support, make sure that you engage your club president or your regional president so that they know what your feelings are on it, so that we can make sure that the membership is heard at the convention in Dawson Creek. that's it for now. Talk to you in March. Hope you've all been outside enjoying the warm weather. It's been great here. We've gone from -18 to +8. Talk to you soon.